What is up, gamers? Now, in the last video, a number of you asked how to make an ear rape sound effect.
You know what, just kidding, it was only one person, but you know what, that doesn't really matter. But
Anyway, here's what the product is going to look like. Now, it's very nice. It's got a nice, distortion effect, or ear rape sound effects, as many of you memers like to call it. And it's also got a shake to it as well. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is take the sound effect that you're going to use, and then drag it into here. And then, as you can tell, it's completely normal, and nothing's going on. So what we're going to do is click on it, and we're going to start with the sound effects, alright? So we're going to go to Fairlight right here, and you're going to scroll down until you see Distortion. So you're going to drag it into here, doesn't matter which one you drag it into. And now for Distortion, I like using this one right here, alright? The one that looks like some sort of chain or whatever. So what you're going to do is change the level from 50 to 100, alright? Do that. And also change the level to 24. High cut, you can change that to 1K or 20K, doesn't really matter. Or I think it does. Okay, just stay with me, alright? Alright, now that's pretty nice. Let's try changing. Okay, don't change the ceiling, because that'll make it low. Alright? So do what I did. Alright, do all of that. Okay? Now, if you turn on low cut, that'll make your video a bit quieter and sound like a weird echoey thing. So once you're done, just click the X, and you're going to edit mode. And if you want to make, if you want to make the audio a lot louder, you're going to click on this line right here that you see, and drag it up a bit, so then it makes the audio a bit louder. And then it's got that nice ear rape sound. Now moving on with the color. So we're going to go on the color tab, obviously. Alright, so once you make it here, you're going to turn the red up a lot, because, you know, that'll make it look cool and edgy. Alright. So what you're going to do is make sure that it stays somewhat red. And try and get a really good saturation, I guess. Alright. I think that's pretty good. Just like that. Very nice, alright? Once you do that, you're going to edit mode again. And after you're here, and then once you get here, you're going to be clicking on this icon right here, so then these lines appear. This is optional, but if you want to do it, you can. What you're going to do is you're going to take this and stretch it out, so then it looks a bit distorted, I guess. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your effects library, and you're going to scroll down until you see camera shake. Alright? So once you see it, you're going to drag it into your clip. Alright? And then once you do that, you're going to change the tab from video to open effects. Alright? Do that. And now what you're going to do here is change the speed up, so then it makes it a bit faster when it's shaking. Alright? Motion scale, turn that up a bit as well. So then, you know, it'll look like that. Alright? Cool. So what you're going to do is change up the speed and scale. For shake levels, you're going to go to tilt and turn that up if you want to, and it'll make it look like that, alright? Now, what we're going to do is change the PTR speed up a bit, so then it shakes a bit more, alright? Zoom speed, we are not using zoom, but if we use it, it'll zoom in and out. But we don't want that, so don't do that, alright? So there you have it. That is how you do this nice ear rape effect in Davinci Resolve. Smash like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you thought it was helpful. Comment down below what other tutorials that you want me to do. And also, share it with your friends if you want to. I don't really care. But anyways, have a good day. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.